Hello guys, today we are gonna show you how to schedule MySQL backup in Windows Task Manager. Before that you have to create the batch file. So that batch file I'll just show you, and also I'll just in description I'll give all the details to you guys. See here, this is the command for create the batch file. So first thing, so we have to take this, from Notepad or TextPad, and type the echo and space off and cd and MySQL where it's installed. So I assume that you are using MySQL server 5.7 or 8, whatever. First you have to visit particular path like C program files, MySQL. Assume that if you're having 5.8 or 5.9, whatever, it will show here, and you have to visit here and go to bin. And what is that? You have to run this particular path as a C program file MySQL server 5.7 in under the bin. So you have to run mysqldump.exe. So search the mysqldump.exe. Look at it, mysqldump.exe. It's here. So what you're gonna do? This is the path, and dump.exe will be there. Just copy this and cd space and look at the path here, and you want to run the file. Which one? mysqldump.exe, and again space -p. That is, p means port. So which port you're gonna run? That is 3306. And space u means username. In my case, root is my username, and the password, look at here, in my case password is mind@123. And what is the db? This is in my case tms proud is my db name, minus r. You have to give the r and execute, and the location you have to give where it has to be export, and export path. In my case export path is z, like z is what I have done. So I have created the share folder where I have to look at. You can create in E drive also. As in, if I can give E drive, so it will create in E drive. Okay. So in my case I'm just creating in Z drive. Under this Z, TMS prod. So name I have give latest TMS prod backup.sql. This has been taken already 6:30 yesterday. This is the one I have created the batch file. So when you run the batch file, I kept the batch file in C. If I run, so it will start. This is manually we have done the batch file right now. So look at here, batch file already learned. See, status 7.1. This backup has been initiated now. Okay, this is manually we have done it, but this batch file we have to run through task manager. I'll show you how to create the task manager. Task, go to task scheduler, go to task scheduler here. Then when I just open the task scheduler, I've already created one of the task scheduler. Just create a basic task and give it a task name. Next, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you want. Daily, I am in my case daily. So start from date. Next, start a program. which you have to create the program. You have to start it, correct? Start a program and browse where the bat file is there. I have located in the bat file in C drive. You have to select this and open, and then next, just finish it. So in my case already I have created here 11 p.m. every day. I mean evening 11 p.m. every day I have started it. So see, this is already running. Once it is completed, manually I have taken right now. This is every day 11 p.m. it will start. If you have any issue, please comment below, so I'll just have a check into that. This what is that, batch file details, I'll give you in batch file details in description. This is the one. I'll give you in description all the details. You can create first, run through manually first. So if it is backup created, then create a task like this, and every day you can run, every day, weekly, monthly based, you can run the backup. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're a new user, please subscribe to my channel.